Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to check location history in Google Maps. For that, open your Google Maps and then tap on your profile icon that will be on the top right corner of your mobile screen, and there you can find your timeline. Tap on that and there you can see all your location history. It was not backed up in my phone, but you can turn it on like that and check your location history. And after turning on that on, and you'll be able to locate your previous, or let's say you'll be able to find your location history in your timeline. For example, I was here today, and that is just tap on this down facing triangle, and you're able to see the date, and just tap on that, and that is how you find your location history. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.